In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your headlight from your 2013 Chevy Silverado. This bulb right here is the headlight, and it's really easy to remove. Just make sure it's not hot. If you've just been running your car, maybe let it cool down for a little bit, or be careful. And to remove it, all you need to do is twist it to the left. So turn it anti-clockwise. I'm coming in from the right with my right hand, and I'm sort of facing forward, just the same way as the car would be facing. And then I'm just going to turn that anti-clockwise from there, and the light will pop off. As I said, be careful if it is hot. To remove the bulb from the cable, you just need to press down on this little clip here and pull off. When you take this old bulb off, you will notice that there's 3 little tags here, and just remember the position that the bulb was in when you took this off, just so you can put the next one or the new one in the same position. Just remember, you do have to rotate it. You're going to rotate it the opposite way from the way you took it off, so you're going to rotate it clockwise this time. And this is what I'm going to be replacing mine with. This is a C light. This is an LED light, so I'm upgrading my lights. But if you're using the same halogen bulb, the same thing on how to refit it is the same as this. Put it in, and then you kind of just have to guess a little bit where the slots are in the hook down here. Push it in, and then turn it clockwise until it locks in place, and then you can hook the cable back up. You can either hook the cable up before you put it on or after. It's sometimes easier just to hook it up after. If you're replacing your halogen bulbs with these LED bulbs, make sure the lights are facing 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. To replace the passenger side cooling, it's the same principle. All you need to do though is take off your airbox. You need to take off 4 screws or Torx bits up here, and then pull out the base to the airbox, and then you can get in. It's actually a lot easier to access the passenger side than it is to access the driver's side. Just use your left hand and you'll be able to twist the lights in and out. If you like this video, I'm sure you like this one here, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content coming up.